what to say amema akwa ba emra Adom TV dwumadie we eye nkurahye dwumadie na me a medi dwumadie won chia me a mede wo sompa ebre wo no edi am yeso Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotegu what to say awadiem usikasemu wapomodnimu ene wabrabomu ekoyie die me mi wa no nkase nkoyie ka che say achia nenso so ebeyi onyame nhira. As long as you are alive, as long as you are living, you breathe in and out. Kusimra woji ahome eko mukoba wote asiye. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. It doesn't matter where you stay. Mfa ho baby afri ba. Se ofia kura bi ase. Mfa ho se wote nima, choko ana islegon. Baby a wote no mfa wabrabo ho. You can always improve your life and see changes when you focus on the things you want to become. Baby, I would tibia and found baby, I juma. Say, we had more Jubilee House, and now we had Juma or as Sempa and Adom, and now they would treat Rocco, and now you got them and found another day. Who you are today should not define who you can become tomorrow. There are stories about people who started life with nothing, from zero, but they are heroes. So tell yourself, say, and found baby amejina semri and found ni ame femunei, you can always become better. So sakra na maybe more. First and foremost, define what you want to become. And manage your inner voice. Kase because we are doing process, you have negative self-talk. You free and practice self-respect. Now what I need ye respect your own self, value yourself, and manage anxiety. Enya ha entity enwinwi na mum ka kire ho se ade bi a ekoso metimu a enye madwene na me di oyawdie no me jamu ema me ho na pe enkrofo betime na abubra na ayeye. You can enhance the quality of life. You see, life is not measured by the number of days you lived. Life is measured by the number of people you impacted their lives. Life. Abrabo, enye mfiedu a wudi ye, enye car do a woto ye, enye adan horo a wofa ye, enye se be mane mema do oni onada, ena enye ma do a wawo, ena enye se Ghana na ewo na America. Wa brabo nyina so, eni nea waya aka obi abrabo akoyedie mu. You see, when you learn to boost your mood, so omo atenka enya gina so papa, omo atenka enya energy, wode ne ahosepa. Abrabo ehase ejina jina papa abrabo ayebe ya brabo enyina so ene empo ya atenka potoka sabe fa ni emotion ade Kenya wo emotion. So what emotion say? What moves you? And therefore if you have emotions that are negative, you are moved towards negative ends. If at all, boost positive moods. Me sasem eto of mine ana asem to me obi ka se ya mesinya ya we ya kwansidia ketua bi a metumanya anu aduro me nto de ato me no se ya edion o watwama no me buafuo da bi me yisa oyawudie na bufuo no efiri mabrabom se ba me kenya energy na menya nyina so pa. As I speak, I can hear somebody telling me share woni made asimi kwan me di prayer nso me nya adwuma hwe maware enye hwe misika sem nye. Yes, I agree enye. But does it mean you also have to focus on the engine? Does it mean you have to replay what is negative? No. And yet, so the problem is your belief about what you are going through. And you know, what catch on say it is possible to feel better. It is possible to change the course of your life. It is possible for you to become better. What catch on? So there may famu na nye. There may come na nye me pay nsome. Na so kwambi wa metimi ade bibia kama brabo na me pay asome. Adwuma me ye mani nye ho kwambi wa metimi ayo na mani age adwuma no ho ode am wo mu yi enkoyie aso kwambi wa metimi afa so na mari akoyie asese metia fa ko etwe so. You see, all of us need mind overhauls. Na no obi de car ko fitani bi ho na car na achi wusie papa asenkra ha hye ena fitani ne ka che say rings ahye enti say overhauling. I'm saying overhauling car. And to me, di ema akwane tuya ne ka ena oyi engine si yo ena oyi overhauling we na car no to na wusie na afiri akiri ye bebre ya adwen na wusie firi mu ya adwen ewu ya dwen adwen a enya adwen papa enti ye nkenya atinkapa na enya babopa so ye hia overhauling the say what the adwen eto nsam na wo sam bi sa ho say anapa awia na nwumre ede na meta adwen ho where do I focus my attention? Are they meaningful thoughts? Are they productive thoughts? Are they thoughts that are rewarding? Are they thoughts that are worthy? Are they thoughts that are pure and lovely? Are they thoughts that can motivate me to move ahead? So what the word you know to some they be say say adwina me adwin no e adwina hye me nkuran e boma baso na adwina e ma me ho abomfia e adwina me adwina me de sobo obo wiase nyina ana adwina me akasa ma father responsibility of my life into my hands. It is possible to learn how to change your life and live your dreams. It might feel difficult in the beginning, but a bit me up say wa braba wo born a day. Wo dey fan say baby I want one pebium. You can move out of where you are and achieve what you want to achieve because if share ni wonim nya wo kano eno hwambo adwina wo dwen ye kire what the hwambo as I was starting here. You see, if you believe it, you can achieve it. ABC seeing is believing. Me say believing is receiving. So wo gidia on sabeka. Me ntwen hu se Thomas asamagedi. So say me gidi se be ye na be ye. Ewiase woni a aye companies akese, woni a watch ebo mi, woni a pamatare abepa mi, they believe they can do it. And wo pa kan de e kan wadwene pro ho. Wo ko sua ade and wo time machine kra ushtantuma and wo pama ade no. It takes the first step towards your goal to hit your target. Do not entertain fear. Fear not. Fear not. For everything is possible as long as you believe and take the first step. So there are people who have grew in the same place have become better than you are. A crab baby no no be a free ayo mama wajidi. Kro we a wo mu a wo kasa kasa no. Minim krofo wo timu a won so agidi. Abrabo ensi sakwa. You can always change the life results you are getting if you change your perspectives. Minu be man minu aba ebe yi wate. Empaba. It is time we change our perspectives and do not allow our circumstances to dictate who we want to become. Let's change how our circumstances have become. Uni onyamentra. Mini kan enda da che hene ase on the produce program we. Na me na Thomas na Pam for ase camera. Na me na Frank any sound of nyina. Na me na lighting floor manager and MC afo nyina ase. Watch na so Nyankopon ya Adom e be se hia. Wa wo hwe me so. Uni onyame entina.